Namaste. My name is Irais, and I felt a connection with the goddesses. When she enters, I start feeling on my feet, energy on my feet, and then it was up, up, up. And then I felt like the serpent, and it's like it's right here, it's living in every single cell now because I give permission, because I think I was waiting for this moment to allow her, because I was really afraid of, you know, uh, about the things that I didn't know. And now it's like, it's not something outside of me, it's something that is inside of me, and I can connect with it and I can feel it, and it's okay. And it's not, I don't have to be scared of, the everything that she evokes or everything that she allow us to have. And I'm really thankful. Thank you.
Thank you.